Hello everyone, welcome back to our page. So take a red color thread, roll it like this. Now fix it in the between and then put a stone on the top and fix it like this. So you can see how we are tying it. Now you have to roll it like this and fix it. So you can see how we have done it. Now pull it down and then tie it from the top. So put them together like this. Now roll the thread from the one side like this as shown in the video and then put it in the between and stretch it. Follow the same step for the other side. So you have to roll it like this and then put the thread in the between and stretch it from the other side. And you can pull it like this or just cut the extra part from it and then heat it little bit so that it gets fixed. And follow the same step for the other side as well. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a purple color thread. So roll it like this. Now you have to fix it in the between and pull out the thread as shown in the video. Now fix it in the half like this and then you have to fold the thread from the between and then pull it out like this. So you can see how we are doing it and you will get this type of pattern. Next, take a red color thread, fold it like this, put it in the between and pull it out as shown in the video. Again, fix it in the between like this. So you can see, now we have to fold it like this again. Now you have to take other side of thread and then fold it like this in the between and stretch it. Pull it out from the other side like this as shown in the video. Now you have to fix it by folding it like this from the downside. Stretch the threads. Now you have to again put it one by one as shown in the video. So you can see how we are doing it. Now stretch the thread and you will get to this type of pattern. And it's ready. Now you can make one more as such and then put them together like this and join it. And you will get a beautiful pattern like this. Next is we have to take a yellow color thread. Now we have to fold it like this. And then you have to fold it from the downside and again roll it like this. You can see how we have done it. Now roll it upward. Fix it from the between and pull out the thread like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Now again put it in the between and then you have to fold it again like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Again follow the same step and repeat the process one by one. Keep tying the threads like this. Put it in the between one by one as we are putting here. Now you have to just roll it out like this from the sides. Fold it as shown in the video and then you have to put it out from the between like this. Stretch it out. Now after that you have to fix it and it's done. Next you have to take dual color threads. Fold it like this as shown in the video and roll it. So you can see how we are rolling the threads. Keep folding it like this by putting a finger. Now, after that, we have to put it in the between. Fix it like this. Pull it out from the top. Now, stretch the thread. Now, take a pink one and then we have to fix it in the between of it like this. And it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.